Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to One to Step YouTube channel where we post tutorial videos and guide videos just like this. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can see the devices connected to your Gmail account, which means the devices in which your Google account is logged in. So yeah, let me show you guys how you guys can see it. But before I show you guys how you guys can see that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button with notification turned on to our channel, so you guys can get notified for future Gmail related videos and many other tutorial videos as well. So yeah, without any further ado, let's start the video. First thing, you want to open your Google Chrome and you want to log in into your Gmail account. After you log into your Gmail account, you want to click on your profile picture over here. After you click on your profile picture, you want to click on where it says manage your Google account. You want to click on manage your Google account. And after you're over here on your Google accounts, main page, you want to click on where it says security. You want to click on security. After you click on security, you want to scroll down until you see your devices. After you see your devices, it's going to show you all the devices in which your Google account is, logged in. So over here, as you guys can see, you're currently signed into your Google account on these devices. So I can click on manage devices and view all the devices in which my Google is, currently logged in. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can see the devices which is connected to your Google account. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, and have a nice day.